Neato D10 Review. The Neato D10 robot vacuum boasts an impressive 300-minute runtime and is equipped with a HEPA filter. It proved to be among the most efficient vacuums for dust collection when we tested it, but this does come with a steep price tag. Although we had some issues around mapping, it was still impressed with its performance at picking up dust from edges and corners, making it a great choice. The D10 is the same size as the D8 and D9 models, measuring at 3.99 by 13.22 by 12.71 inches. Despite its additional features, it only weighs 8.07 pounds, light enough for you to easily lug up or down your residence floors with no issue. The refined metallic listening restraint prevents the D10 a more formal than the D8 or D9. The low charging dock doesn't demand an immense area and is equally moderate. Just bear in mind that you have to place it somewhere with 1 foot of blank space all around it so the robot can identify it quickly. On the back of the dock, there's cord storage to keep superfluous power cords indecipherable and also a brush cleaning tool for ridding hair and particles stuck in the brush. Atop the D-shaped robot, there are 2 buttons, a start button and one for audible information. Additionally, there is a Wi-Fi LED and a battery LED, but all other features must be accessed or monitored through the app. A built-in LiDAR helps this robot navigate around your home without bumping into furniture, while the 11-inch roller brush collects dirt and debris efficiently and the detachable rotating side brush cleans up your baseboards. Simply pick up the 24.6 ounces dirt bin from the top of the background, empty it in the trash, and replace the HEPA filter every 1 to 2 months. 2 spare filters are included in the box. The D10 is straightforward to configure with the app and has 3 cleaning modes, so you can decide which amount of suction works best. On the highest setting, we noticed it managed to extract dirt and debris from carpets as well as hard floors, leaving them spotlessly clean. Nevertheless, even when running on max mode, some debris in the edges and corners wasn't captured. Though the D-shape is an iconic design, it does not make corner cleaning any more effective than round robot vacuums. Using LiDAR mapping and navigation, the robot can accurately map out a room while avoiding virtual no-go zones. Furthermore, it is capable of avoiding staircases and transitions well from a hard floor to a thick pile area brush. Moreover, the D10's excellent ability to transition over obstacles leads to it occasionally attempting feats that are best avoided, such as when it ascended a low lamp pedestal or the edge of a fire hearth. These actions can be of great concern if you own expensive or fragile furniture. If you move the vacuum to another floor, we recommend bringing the charging base along with it. If we had not done this before, the vacuum would go back to where it started and continuously hit the closet door until we turned it off. Fortunately, though, the charger is light and easy to transport, so it's not a major problem. Overall, this vacuum usually does a good job of cleaning, but it doesn't do the best job of getting into corners and edges, so you might want to go over those spots with a handheld or stick vacuum from time to time. Having a Wi-Fi password ready is extremely helpful when it comes to setting up and connecting the D10 to your Wi-Fi network, as the app is necessary for accessing all of the robot's features. Fortunately, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. The first time the robot is used, it will start by scanning your floor plan with the LiDAR laser. The robot will create fresh maps if the layout of the room changes or if you move it to a different level. Afterward, you can input virtual no-go areas on the map. The app enables you to modify cleaning modes, set up recurring cleanup sessions, and develop specialized zones and timetables. This way, it's possible to clean the kitchen more often than in other areas if it works better for you. Neato boasts that the robot can last for 300 minutes in eco mode, and based on its performance of using only 11% of the battery in 33 minutes, this seems to be an accurate assessment. However, if you opt for the max mode setting, you'll notice a notable decrease in performance. Minus 24% of battery drained after 39 minutes equates to approximately 160 minutes of total cleaning time. It should be noted that the robot will return to its charging base when the battery is at 15%, so it's not able to run for the full advertised time. During testing, one instance saw the battery reach about 30% before resuming cleaning, whereas on another occasion it resumed cleaning only once it hit 85%. It took approximately 4 hours to recharge the battery from 15% up to